I'm working on this metal thing here. I was looking, these little feet I have. I found one bolt and 2 bolts. I'm not sure if this might be too loose. Might be too loose. They're all, let's see. I don't want tiny ones. See, this one fits, but it's, I find it too, I need one with more little more meat on each side. So this one works. This one's no good. That's no good. This is no good. See, this one's definitely the wrong size. This one's way too big, I could tell. That won't fit. That won't fit at all. This is too big. Nope. That one's too big. I got a whole shitload of these square jobs here. They're pretty cool. Never thought I'd have a use for them until now. I should probably try to find a bolt bigger. Oh great, now I have 3 nuts. Wait, that's all I got in this. See, this fits, but it's wrong size again. That's not good. That's not good. This is... nope. It's a thread. That's definitely the wrong size. Could make it fit. Nope. Nope, Z's. So, okay, we got 3 nuts that fit. And 4 bolts. Let me go check my other bin. Hold on. Hello, folks. It's me again. Got a bajillion in here. Let's see. This might be the wrong one. That's definitely the wrong one. That's so rusty. It's thrown in the river. All kinds in here. So I got these galvanized ones, but I don't like the size of them. They're too small. That'll work, but yeah, I guess I gotta use it. This won't work. Nope, that won't work. What's that on there? That one works. This one I think is the same size. Yep, is that the same metal though? I don't know. There we go. 4 of them. Ta-da! 4 nuts. 4 nuts. Hey, these ones are, I don't know. These ones don't move. So maybe I will use that one. And then choose the other 2. This one I don't know either. See, that one's definitely not the wrong one. Right one. I'll just use all 4 of those. So anyway, I found 4 for the legs for these things. Stay tuned as I bring this up as I go along.